Hello. This is the second lesson for the beginner, how to learn guitar within 1 month. Today we are going to practice on other chords. Yesterday, on the other lesson 1, we discussed chord C. On the key of C. You are on the key of C. We talked about C, F, C, then G. We say that we will strum 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to C. 1, 2, 3. And now today we are going to look at another chord. We are going to add another chord, which is called D. And today we are going to add another chord called D. So chord D, the fingering is the first finger. It's placed on the string number 3 on the 2nd fret. Then the second finger, string number 1 on the 2nd fret, and the third finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret. That's our D. And you play from string number 4. So on the key, I want us to do the practice on the key of G. So on the key of G, you have G, you have C, and you have G, you have D. 1, 4, 5 progression. We want to do 1, 4, 5 progression, a simple progression. So you can go like 1, 1. So now 2 times. 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 1. Can go G, G, C, C. I think we talked about G. G, we are doing it this way. First finger, no. The second finger on string number 5, 2nd fret. Then finger on string number 6, 3rd fret, and the pinky on the 4th finger on string number 1. This way, our G. You see? Then our C, we did it this way. First finger on 2nd string, 1st fret. Our 2nd finger on 2nd fret, string number 4. Then our 3rd finger on string number 5 on 3rd fret. So our progression will be 1, 4, 5. So you are going to strum 2 times. Yeah, like 1, 2. Let's go. G, G, C, C, D, D, D. So G, G, C, C, D, D. Come on. G, G, C, C, D, D. Let's go together. G, G, C, C, D, D. Yeah. Hawishi ningekwanga na mabumba kwa jamanoti kuonge vya dhamani, ama uwe fundi wa kuingiza kakanumba masaja jote siwe mbali nami. My darling, I need your love, uwe nami, haki ya Mungu na kuenda. Oneka show your love, usiwamini shaba wanakwenda basi jilegeze nikubebe mgongoni, eka nikulegeze. Okay, what you do here is that G, G, C, C, D, D, G, G. Then we start again. G, G, C, C, D, D, G, G. Practice. Then we are on next lesson we are going to add another chord. Then we are going to talk about the strumming style. First learn the chords, then later on we'll going to learn the strumming patterns.